Hey, this is Debbie Pask, and I'm talking to you today about the Zenful Coaching Masterclass and whether this program might be right for you. So the first thing I'd say is that we're going through a massive consciousness change in the world. As we develop more mindfulness practices, as we become more spiritually aware, as we become more advanced with our understanding of human needs and running a human-centric business or workplace or management team, there really is a growing need to get better and better about how to manage people, teams, clients, or your co-workers at new and interesting and innovative levels. And I think that lots of psychological tools are fantastic. They've been used for many years in business, but this program takes you beyond just the psychological. It takes you into the Eastern psychology, it takes you into the indigenous practices, eco-spirituality, takes you into understanding the intuitive mind and the higher mind beyond just the ego or the higher ego. It takes you into another realm where you're given more power-packed tools to help your team and yourself. So these tools, and I'll talk about the topics in a minute, but these tools are all about how do you grow and evolve yourself. As you do this program, you have to apply them to you. So it's almost like a supercharged development program for yourself. Plus you get to apply them to your clients, whether you're running a coaching practice or a holistic business, or whether you're a business leader or manager and needing an extra set of tools that are outside the box. And they've been developed through thousands and thousands and thousands of sessions that I've run over time, and they're the most effective and the most articulated tools that I know how to deliver. So here's the topics. So it's really important that you understand what you're learning. So you're going to learn all about the master observer, which is the higher mind, and how you can access this higher, more creative and intuitive mind to understand problems, to problem solve, to help your staff with stress and anxiety, to really get a better perspective of what's going on. It's like your powerful tool in the toolbox. The second one is yin and yang, which I think underlines all business principles and all health and wellness and human-centric ideals. And that is the left logical masculine brain versus the right creative feminine brain. And how do you use those tools to manage your health and your well-being? They're absolutely critical, as well as how to use these tools to make better business decisions and be more innovative, but also powerful in your logical execution. Fear, this is so intrinsic. The two types of main fears that the Western world face, especially in business and especially in life, about how do we understand uncertainty, how do we understand judgment, failure, all those things. They're so critical to anyone managing a team or anyone coaching anyone to overcome fear. The medicine wheel, that's a bit of a wild card one. That's very different. You probably won't see that in many coaching toolboxes. It's all about how to understand the life cycle and flow of life and how to make decisions strategically based on where you are in the circle of life. So powerful for business problem solving, coaching people, or understanding where people are at in their life cycle. Mind Fit techniques. I've pulled together what I think are the best Mind Fit techniques where you can manage the monkey mind, manage stress, manage anxiety, take a better position to really get hold of thoughts, feelings, and emotions that come up every day in our human mind. So they're all my best of the best tools. And then we do a pulling it together where we pull all these together, and there's a really powerful question at the end that you have to ask yourself, and that's for any leader, it's an intrinsic question, and I learnt this off a great friend of mine called Britta, so thank you for that question. That is something that you get to answer in this coaching. So yeah, it's really holistic, it's really conscious, mindful and spiritually aligned, as well as philosophical and psychological. I've done a philosophy degree, so I've kind of merged some of those principles into this course as well. So love to see you on the course. If you've got any questions, please get in touch. Thank you.